In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Maps if it's not showing up for you. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you're not seeing Instagram Maps in your messages over in the notes section over here, the first thing that I recommend doing is backing out of the app and closing out of it fully. From here, go ahead and open up the App Store on your device. And what you're going to want to do is simply type in Instagram just like so, and just check to see if your Instagram is up to date. If it's not, go ahead and update it. And then when you go back in, check to see if you do have that Maps feature now available. If you still don't, go ahead and back out of this section, select your profile picture down in the bottom right, and then select the three lines and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select log out and log out again. From here, you can either choose to log back in and see if you have it, or what I recommend doing first is backing out of Instagram and just fully uninstalling the app, just like so, and then go ahead and reinstall it. So open up the App Store, hit download on Instagram. You should already have the App Store open if you're following this exactly how I am, and wait for Instagram to go ahead and download for you. And in fact, while you do this, back out of this section and scroll over until you go to your settings and open it up. And what you're going to want to do is just search for privacy and security and open up this section right here. Up at the very top, click on location services and scroll down on this page and just make sure that Instagram does have your location. You may have to just open up Instagram first before actually being able to activate this, but open it up, wait for it to load. And then when it does ask you if you would like it to track, go ahead and say yes. And then go back into this section, find Instagram, and make sure it has access to your location. When you get back into Instagram, what you're going to want to do is allow Instagram to have all of those permissions again. And from here, what you're going to want to do is go on your message icon, and it's going to be in your notes. Now, if you still do not have Maps, it may have not rolled out to your account yet. It is rolling out specifically for iOS and Android people and in the US first. However, rollouts do often happen gradually, meaning that there's a chance that your specific account just doesn't have the update yet. So just wait and you'll have it real soon. But if you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.